So to assemble, I take the back auger seal, place it over, use my thumb to drag it around the outside. I get the auger, make sure the seal's in the right way, put some grease around the inside of the seal, place over 2 clockwise to lock it in, get the drip tray if you have one, put that in place, take the bowl, lube around the inside of the back, slide that over the auger and open the seal and then lock it down in place. Get the bung for the tap, grease around the rubber part, treat this like a spaceship. There's your booster, here's your rocket man, going to go on one way, goes up so it's flush with that top part of the lip of the tap. Place on the spring, place on the top. Cigarette handle, put it in, bring your fingers down, the holes line up, and the sides back on, fill the bowl up.